Let's break down the applications of a vending machine. Let's look at an inside of how it works and how does one can make it. As you can see that this how we code a vending machine. It requires programming language like Python, or you can even use C++. As we scroll down, you can see a dictionary is created to list item for a vending machine. We look closer, just how any other vending machine can has items in it. We have given this machine a set of instructions on how to receive binary code and display message to the user after they have used the machine. In this code you can see while and if command have been used to run it in a loop, and if any item or service is not supported it displays a message to the user. If no item is available to dispense, we have used formatted string to keep the code short and easy to understand for the viewers. We have given her a variable where we have added that if the inserted amount is less than the item price, it shows a message as insufficient amount and user will have insert more money to buy the item. We have used operators like plus, minus, more than, less than, etc. After this print statement, a program is in print statement, how much change is received and a thank you message to the user for using the vending machine. Let's run this code and see the results.